Today, I'm going to be showing you a couple of methods that I use to edit YouTube Shorts very quickly. Let's jump in. Now, there's a lot of tools that are out there to help you do that, and a lot of tricks and tips that you could use to kind of cut down your editing workflow. But what I'm talking about specifically today is utilizing a service that's called Descript, and you can find that at descript.com. And Descript is an all online tool. There's a free version, and then there's ones that you could pay for. And what it does is it utilizes AI to help you edit your videos, and specifically your shorts. But we're going to talk about a couple of those options today. So we're just over here in the home page here, and you see we have AI Video Maker. We're just going to click on Generate. And there's actually several different options here. So the middle option here, you can actually just generate from an entire short from a prompt. You could say, hey, give me a short about how to make editing shorts easier. And it will make that beginning to end. It'll create the voiceover, it'll add the B-roll, it'll make everything for you. You can also upload a script. If you just wrote out, here's everything I want it to say, you could upload the text file of the script and it'll generate that. And again, make that all for you, have a voiceover and all that. But what we're talking about today is actually how to use this to help you edit. So you shot the footage, you already wrote the script, whether it's you or somebody else, and you just want help to edit it faster. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the upload a file option. So I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to click on this, and we're just going to navigate to wherever we have our file saved that we want it to edit. So I'm just going to jump in here. So I have a short here, click OK, and it's going to start a new project for me with that footage. And now instead of me going through and editing it, it's going to do it for me. So it's going to ask you a couple of questions here. So you can either go landscape and it'll add some B-roll over here. But what we want is we want to do portrait because we're creating a short. And you can say, hey, I want to AI generate the media, or you can use stock footage. So let's say I want to use stock. And you could have your image down here, and then we go continue. And what it's doing is it's going to take and upload that video, and it's going to transcribe it for you. Now this video in particular, I was reading off of a script, so it should be easy for it to detect that. And then it's going to do the bulk of the editing for me. And then all I have to do is go in and make some tweaks to it. And after a few minutes of work, then it has now taken the bulk of the video and done the editing. So you can see you could have the script right along here. So it's got all the elements that are through there and the video associated with it. You can scrub the timeline here and see exactly what it looks like. And there you go. You get a lot of motion, you get some text. So you can go through and adjust any of this, change any of the text. It shows you what it cut out of here. Maybe I want to eliminate this section here, so I could just highlight all of this and go, let me delete that, and it'll make those adjustments. So now we're really just editing not based on our skill set as an editor, but we're just editing based on the content. And you can see what they took out. If I want to add it back in, we can move things around and we're good to go there. And just like that, we have an edited short that we can now export and upload to our favorite site. Just that easy. That's if you already recorded a short that you intended to be a short, it'll help you edit that much faster. And while we're on the subject, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, our team has put together a completely free playbook for you. And what you're going to get is it includes a 3-part framework for reaching new audiences, keeping them watching, and measuring what actually drives growth. Now, if you take a look at this playbook, you're going to see that it covers everything from what to make, how to structure it so people stay, and how to read the data so that you know exactly what's working. And you can grab it completely free. Just click the link below. The other option is you can take a long form video and let Descript chop that up into separate clips to then be used as YouTube Shorts. And again, what's nice about that is now you have a long form video that you can post on YouTube, and then you have the shorts that'll lead back to that long form video. So in order to do that, all we want to do is we go up here on the home page and you see generate social clips. So we're going to click on that. And then all we're going to do is we're going to upload a long form video. So we're just going to click upload, find the video that we want. Let's say we grab a video here, open it up. And what it's doing is it's going to audio transcribe the video and learn what the video is about, see all the subject points. And now it's going to generate individual clips that again, we can now adjust. And what it's doing is it's basing it on what the subject matter of the script or what you're talking about. So this is great for, we already edited the video, we have the long form, or it's a podcast. Maybe it's an hour-long conversation between two people, and you want AI to kind of jump in there, find the spots that best fit for YouTube Shorts and generate those clips for you. And then you can make choices and make adjustments if you want more of this clip or less of that clip, or don't show that shot, whatever you want there. But again, this expedites that factor of having to manually go through your long form video, find the best clips, find the best elements of that, cut it out, try to get it into the time frame that you have to fit it into for YouTube or whatever social media site you're going on. So this really does all the work for you. And this method obviously takes a little bit longer to kind of generate that all for you. So it'll take a little bit of time to generate that. But these are just a couple of methods all built within Descript. And again, I'll put a link in the description so you can be able to check that out. With that, that's a couple of methods that I use to help expedite and speed up my editing process for YouTube Shorts. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.